Hi everyone! Today I am sharing with you berry hand pies made with puff pastry. Hand pies are perfect for picnic parties or just when you need a little treat. They're also incredibly easy to make and can be customizable to suit your taste preference. So, start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of mixed berries. I use a frozen berry, you can use any type of berry or fruit. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and half teaspoon of cinnamon. And half teaspoon of cornstarch. Feel free to use any filling you prefer. Next, we need 2 sheets of puff pastry. Roll out the puff pastry sheets slightly and cut each one into 6 large squares. Add 1 tablespoon of berry filling to each square, then fold and fill them to form the pies as demonstrated in the video. You can also get creative and shape the pies however you like. Place the pies on a lined baking sheet. Use a knife to make a couple of small slits in the middle of each pies. Brush the tops of the pies with beaten egg. Sprinkle some sugar on top. Bake in preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Once the pies are baked, let them cool completely. After cooling, sprinkle them with some powdered sugar. And there you have it. Delicious, simple and easy hand pies. Your family and friends will absolutely adore. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.